Here's Tester Body app. So this is the app where you can earn some additional cash. It's an innovative online service platform designed to empower individuals by giving them a voice in shaping the products and services they use on a daily basis. So Tester Body provides a convenient and engaging platform for users to share their thoughts and insights through online surveys. So yeah, here's the app. If you sometimes you just want to earn some like 10-20 bucks while you're commuting, just going to work or have nothing to do, you can try out this app. So there are a bunch of apps here. So you need to play games here, and then when you play games, you earn in coins. So the idea is that you have like the task. You need to play the game. You obviously need to only play the game in this app and tap only on this button and only install the app via this button, and then you just getting coins per minute of playing the game. And then you can see that to get $1 you need like 7,000 coins. So yeah, as you can see, so we can just give you an estimate. So you will need like 152 minutes of playing. So like 2.5 hours of playing gives you $1, but you already get in some additional coins for daily check-in. So you can just earn additional few dollars, and then you can just do a payout to your PayPal and then earn some 5-10 bucks here. So this is one of the simplest apps to actually earn real like PayPal gift cards, and this app seems to have a good reputation, so it actually works and it's actually achievable to withdraw here, because in many other apps they're just claiming that you can earn hundreds of dollars. It's never happening. At least here you can earn really 5-10 bucks, and that's what it is. You can see your earnings. If you need help, you can always reach out to support@testerbody.com. Then you can see latest coins, welcome reward, 3,600. So yeah, and then there are some invite a friend. So if you want, you can invite a friend. So that's what it is. You invite a friend for the Tester Body, and then you can just get additional coins. So feel free to use my invitation code here. So yep, that's what it is. That's the app. It's very easy to use. It's not crowded, with hundreds of apps. So yeah, that's the idea. So that's what it is. So try out this app.